Hey everybody, Jamie from the Marine Doctors YouTube channel, and today I'm going to tell you if your IAC is bad. So this is the idle air control valve, and we've had other videos that we talk about the throttle body causing issues, but these IACs can cause issues as well. So under normal conditions, the IAC should be going ch-ch-ch-ch. That means that it's cycling and it's working properly to allow the engine to run at idle speeds. It's allowing it to regulate the RPM. Okay, now this particular one, although you can't see anything wrong on the outside, it's failed. When we go up to full speed, the IAC opens completely, which is normal. It goes to 100%. When we idle back down, it should drop to that 20 to 30% so that the engine runs at idle. Okay, and again, I know you guys can't see what 20 to 30% means. But, hey, well, you know, I just noticed something. What's going on here? They've got these numbered wrong. Does that mean the injectors are wrong? I've got a 3 at the bottom and 4 at the top. Sorry, kind of sidetracked. I'm going to have to look at that. I don't really want that happening. Anyway, so if the IAC at idle just goes shh, it means that it's stuck open and needs to be replaced. It should go cha-cha-cha-cha. Again, if it's going shh, it means it's stuck open and it's failed, which is what this one did. All right, another great tip. Get you guys back on the water, and I'll see you guys in the next video.